Hey there, I'm Kristen, and today we're talking about stretches to enhance our grounding. Grounding is a coping strategy that helps to connect us to the here and now and get us in touch with our bodies and surroundings. Today's exercises are stretches. We'll focus primarily on stretching the upper body, the strap muscles of the neck, and the tongue. Yes, the tongue.
Okay.
A short word about the strap muscles. The strap muscles are a complex system of neck muscles that stabilize the head. They are the frontline muscle group for retaining tension associated with looking at a screen all day, driving for long periods of time, or other activities that require the head to be stable, like walking, running, or biking. So, let's find someplace comfy to sit or stand and start stretching. For the first exercise, let's simply roll our heads in a circle, stretching the neck like this. Why don't you try this with me? Here we go. And switch sides. One more time around. And we're done. For the next exercise, let's stretch our shoulders by pulling one arm gently across the body and holding it for 10 seconds. You should feel the shoulder and the upper back stretch out as we do this one. Let's try it together. And switch sides. For the last exercise, we're going to stretch the tongue in 3 separate exercises. These are super great for alleviating tongue tension prior to singing or speaking, and I absolutely swear by them. The first exercise is where we'll take the tip of the tongue and then alternately touch the back bottom molars like this. Try to move the tongue as fast as you can while still making contact with the molars. For best results, try to do this exercise for 60 to 90 seconds at a time, but for today, let's try this exercise for only 10 seconds. Here we go. The second exercise is like the first, except now we're aiming for our upper back molars. Let's try this exercise for 10 seconds. Here we go. The last exercise is the most involved and can be a little awkward, but it's so great. Some of my students call this a tongue sit-up. For this exercise, we'll take the tip of the tongue, press it behind our bottom teeth like this, and then flip it back like we're trying to touch the uvula in the back of the mouth. Again, these exercises are best done for 60 to 90 seconds, but today let's just do 15 seconds. Try it with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for more videos like these. I'll see y'all next time.